you know what a crescent wrench is? How? Here they come. They decided to do it right in the middle of my contest. How about that? They got to be perfectly in line. All the way down. Woo! You guys looking good. It's like watching paint dry, but it's kind of cool. Look at this. Look at this. Take it to the fifth floor. How about that? That's the way they used to do it. Not bad. Full right there. Alright, so, do you know what a crescent wrench is?
I think so.
You think you know what a crescent wrench is? Okay, do you own a crescent wrench? Yes.